In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Shein affiliate program. Now, you can sign up for their affiliate program and you can promote all of these different products on Shein and earn a commission when someone buys them. Now, anyone can sign up for the Shein affiliate program. You just need to follow these instructions and I'll show you how to do it. So the thing is with the Shein affiliate program, they don't have their own affiliate program built into their website. They actually run their affiliate program through an affiliate platform called CJ Affiliate. So sometimes you'll be able to go to a website and you'll see their affiliate program down here. But what you want to do instead is you want to go ahead and open up a new tab and go to Google. Now, when you're on Google, you want to do a search for CJ Affiliate. Now, CJ Affiliate is the affiliate program or the affiliate platform that Shein are on, and you can sign up for an account on CJ Affiliate. So go to cj.com, and what we can do now is we can sign up for an account on cj.com. So this website has hundreds of different companies that you can promote. So first we need to sign up to this platform, then we can choose Shein, and we can promote any of their products to our following. So first go to cj.com, then go ahead and click on sign up in the top right hand corner. And here where it says experience the network effect, you can now choose two different options here. Now, the one you want to go with is going to be publisher, and you can partner with the world's best brands. So go ahead and sign up. And by the way, obviously Shein is one of those brands. Then you need to go through this application process. So go ahead and select your country, enter in your email, password, and confirm your password, and confirm that you're not a robot here. Okay, so once you've done that, it's going to ask you to verify your email. So I'm just going to do that now. So the email will look something like this, and you can then create my CJ Publisher account. So now first you're going to need to accept the terms and conditions. So check this, accept the terms, and go ahead and go through these and accept these. To accept it and to ungray this box, you need to click on the link and then view it. And then once you've viewed it, you don't have to read it all, but you can then agree or accept agreement. So click on the link, accept agreement, and do this for all three, and then continue to account. Okay, so after you've done that, you will then be redirected to the dashboard, and here you can see all of these different advertisers that you can promote. If you go to account and you go to network profile, you can then go ahead and fill out your network profile, which is going to help you get approved for a lot of different brands on CJ Affiliate. Now, I'm on my account, which I've already created before, and you can see I've wrote a little description. And if you go to manage promotional properties, you can then go ahead and click create property, and then you can explain how you're going to promote these different affiliate links. So do you have your own website? Do you have your own social media following? And so on. So you want to go into detail here on how you're going to actually promote these different affiliate programs, because these affiliate programs are going to have to manually approve you. So once you've done that and you've edited out your profile, you then want to go home, and I really would recommend that you spend a good 30 minutes on that and put into detail how you're going to promote these different affiliate programs, because they're not just going to accept a random account with nothing filled out, right? So once you've filled all that out, you want to then go to partner. You then want to go to find advertisers, and here you'll see all of the advertisers you can promote. You can see there are 3,200 companies in this affiliate program. So go to advertisers and just start typing in Shein, and you should see it. If you don't see it, go to status and click on all. It might be on my advertisers by default. Just go ahead and change it to all, then type in Shein. Click on that and then click search, and then you should see Shein here. Here you can see some stats about the affiliate program. Now you can see I've already applied here, and I can get my links. But for you though, there'll be an apply button here which you can click on, and then it's going to send your account for a manual review. So Shein are going to look over your account with the details you've filled out previously, and if they're happy to accept you, you'll be approved, and then you can go ahead and get your affiliate links. So that's how you can apply to the Shein affiliate program. I hope that helps you out.